Katrina's Creations. It is Knit Crate time. This is the theme for July. So this is the Knit Crate unboxing for July 2021. It was neon themed. So let's get right into it. I have two boxes. I actually got one of each of the colors. The boxes this month, you didn't get a choice, but you had two possibilities that you could get. So I got one of each. So, let me just get to the yarn. So the first one is this, and it's showing pretty true to color. And this yarn is Euro yarn, or Uru yarn, and it is called Wired. No, that's the color. Okay, the color is called Wired. I can understand, it's like highlighter pink. There you go. And it's plied with black. It is 40% Hayakea. It is 40% Huyakea alpaca. I think I pronounced that right. I'm not sure. Hayakea, Huyakea. Yeah, it's that. 40%. And then it's 30% wool and 30% Surrey alpaca. So it's two different types of alpaca that are mixed with this, as well as 30% wool. It is a worsted weight. I guess it's I would say it's worsted. It's a heavier worsted. I've seen some that's considered worsted that's a little thinner than this, but here's kind of what it looks like. Give you an idea. So there it is. And the brand of Uru, for obvious reasons. And let's see, it is 150 yards or 137 meters per skein. So there's two skeins. So we have a total of 300 yards of this color. So that's number one. Then we have number two. I haven't decided which one I prefer. I know which one I lean more towards. Wait till I show you the second one. You tell me down in the comments box which one you like better. Here's the other one. And this is kind of a jade green mixed with the black. So there you can see it. And you can see those white strands that are kind of in there. That's not my hair, that is alpaca. For those of you who are new to the channel and are wondering, why did I say that's not my hair? A while back, I was in the middle of making a project and I didn't know what the fiber content was, but I kept seeing these white hairs in it and I kept pulling it out thinking it was my white hair. Turns out I was de-alpacaing the yarn. I was pulling out the alpaca thinking it was my hair and I didn't want hair in the project. I kept going, wow, all this hair in the yarn. Yeah, it wasn't hair at all. It was hair, it just wasn't my hair. So anyway, this particular color, which is, like I said, almost like a jade green or turquoise. It's like a deep, I guess it'd be considered more of a deep turquoise. It's funny, back in the 80s or 90s, I had pants this color. They were black, they were really wild colored, and they were the same color of kind of turquoise and black. I thought they were attractive on me then. No comment for now, but anyway, this particular colorway is called Rave. So we have Rave and Wired. So let me know in the comments down below which one you like, or whether you would just put them all together. So that's what they look like if you were to mix them. So now, what patterns were they suggesting to go along with this? I'm glad you asked. So here we go. The first one, the knitted pattern that you get 4 free patterns. You get 2 sock and 2 other projects. So you get 2 knitted, 2 crocheted patterns with this. So the knitted pattern is called the Weekend Vibes Cowl. And I'm inserting pictures because for some reason they gave us this card again and you have to download the patterns. They were giving us the little books. I don't know why we don't have the little books. I like the little books because they tell a little bit about the designer and stuff, and I don't have to print it out myself. So, you know, I'm not real happy with this because I figure with what we're paying, because the prices had gone up, I want my buck. So anyway. The knitted pattern, like I said, is the Weekend Vibes Cowl. And then the crocheted one is called the Weekend Slouch Hat. Now the socks, I do like the knitted socks, but I would not use this yarn for it. I have other worsted weight sock yarn that I would, well, it's not sock yarn, it's worsted weight yarn, but I would make socks with. I don't use expensive yarn to make socks because I wear them around the house and they get holes in them. And so I'm not spending expensive yarn for socks. But it is a pretty pattern, and that is called La Playa socks. So I do like that pattern. Now the crochet pattern for the socks, not so much. It is called the Net Summer Socks. There's no way I would wear those socks. No way. Number one, my toes would poke through the holes. I add holes to my socks by walking around in them. I don't want to create the holes that my toes are going to pop through. So anyway, yeah, for that reason, and I think I'm a little old for ruffled socks. So yeah, I don't think those would be comfortable to wear at all. So that's not a pattern I will be downloading. Now the cowl might be a possibility. We'll see. The slouch hat, I'm not a hat person, but it is cute too. So I like those 2 patterns, and I like the knitted sock pattern, just not the crocheted sock pattern this time, which is funny because last month I liked the crocheted sock pattern better than the knitted sock pattern. Now they did send me some freebies with this. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but we got a key ring. I have 2, one from each of the bags. And it has a glittery, sparkly, colorful heart. I don't need a key ring. Yeah, I'll be doing something with these. Who knows? They might show up in a giveaway. Who knows? One of you lucky winners might get one of this down the road sometime. But anyway, yeah, that is Knit Crate for this month. Now, if you would like to give them a try, the price is $29.99 plus shipping. You do not get a choice on your colors. You get surprised with whatever they're sending out. And like I said, I did get, because I get 2 boxes, it was kind of nice that I got one of each of the colors so I could show them to you. But anyway, if you would like to try your first box and get it for 50% off, you can click the link down below and that will give you 50% off. But if you decide you don't want to continue it, make sure you cancel it before the 1st of the month. You can go right online and cancel it. They don't hassle you or anything like that. You know, it's very easy to go in and cancel. But just make sure you do it before the 1st of the month or they will automatically bill you. And the full price for the yarn is normally, by the time you add the shipping, which is I think $7.99 or $7.95, plus the cost of the yarn, it's just shy of $38. I think it comes out to $37.99 or $37.95, something like that. It's, you know, it is a little pricey if you're paying full price for it. So you just need to weigh whether it's worth it to you to keep the membership up with it or not, that's your own choice, but you can get your first box for 50% off if you want to give them a try and see what you think of them. They are considered luxury yarns. You do get 4 patterns every month. So yeah. Anyway, that is Knit Crate for this week. I say this week because next week will be another Wednesday video, will be another Knit Crate unboxing, because this is July's box and August's box is coming in. So August's box is on schedule. So they finally are getting back up. Everything got backed up because, well, you know, leftovers from 2020. Everything is still backed up with getting things with shipping. So that's why we're a little behind with the Knit Crates. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again later. Bye, everybody.